G'day guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here from one of the other girls' videos, welcome. It'd be great if you enjoy this video. If you want to subscribe, that would be awesome. So I am doing a collab today. This is my first collab. I'm a little bit excited. I am working with Annette's Makeup Corner and Cher Jonathan. And we are doing a palette bingo with the Glaminatrix Sandra Rose Palette. Now, I'm just a little bit excited by this. So, Annette's Makeup Corner, I'm just thrilled. I love watching Annette. She is not afraid to use colour and just says it like it is. And you know what you're going to get. She's going to be brutally honest. And I appreciate that because I like that honesty. I think it's important. And yeah, so that's really good. And Cher, she's just another Aussie chick. She's just a few hours away from me. One day I might get to meet her. And she has kind of the same attitude as me. It's just put the makeup on and let's go with it. Let's see how it works and we'll rock whatever we put on. And it's awesome. So let's get into this bingo. So, what do we do? Okay, so the colours that I chose, well, the randomizer chose. So I put it through a randomizer. The lovely ladies decided that I was the one that was going to pick them. So I am responsible for the colours that we got. Well, my phone is. We ended up with, let me get my phone out because I can't remember. Alright, we got 10. So the way we read, left to right, top to bottom. Okay, so 10 is Sandra, which is really good because that's what the palette is named for. So this is a deep teal. So we've got this one. We've got 2. 2 is Petal. So this mid-pink matte. So there we go. What else have we got? We've got 5, which is Nectar, which is this deep purple. There we go. 15, which is this duochrome silver blue green down the bottom, which is called Flourish. There we go. We've got 13. Now, 13 is Seed, which is matte brown. I'm sure Annette's going to be happy. The curses of the palette bingos has come through for her, and she's got a brown. So, there we go with that one. And the last one was 14, which is Posy, which is this blue or teal. There we go. So they're the 6 colours that we are working with today. What am I going to do? No idea. So I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer and then we're going to figure out how I'm going to put these on the eyes. Let's see what I come up with. Okay, so we're in. I've primed my eyes with MAC Soft Oak Paint Pot. I haven't set it. I don't like to set my eye primer. And we're going to think about what we're going to do. I think I'm going to go in with Petal, which is that, let's focus. We're going to go with Petal, which is that pink, and put that in the crease. So it's really good. This palette was released a couple of months ago, and she did 500 units of it, and she's had such good feedback that she's re-releasing it this month. So I'm not sure when, but it will be coming this month. So go check out Glaminatrix Cosmetics. I know she's got an Instagram page, and she keeps everyone really up to date with what's happening, which is great. And she's another Aussie girl that's working hard to get her indie brand up. Again, she's only a few hours from me. Which is kind of cool because Australia is a really big place, and both Glaminatrix Cosmetics and Cher are within, you know, a stone's throw of me, which is kind of cool because they could be very, very far away and they're not. Okay, so I've got petal. Okay, so I've got petal all through the crease. I'm going to go in now, I think, with Nectar, which is that dark purple. So Nectar, focus. There we go, that one. And I'm just going to put that. I think I'm going to go for kind of like a halo spotlight eye today. So I'm going to put Nectar on the inner and outer parts of my lid. Now you can see from these colours just how pigmented the shades are, which is fantastic. I don't have to do a lot to get a colour payoff, which is awesome. I'm just going to go back to that fluffier brush that I had petal on, and I'm just going to blend Nectar up into the crease. Just going to come in with a little bit more Nectar, and I'm going to try, I really want more of a spotlighty appearance, so I'm just going to kind of bring it in a bit more on an angle. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of Seed, so the dark brown, and I'm going to put that in the outer part of my lid just to try and deepen up this area a little bit. And while I'm here, I'm going to take a little bit of that Seed and just run it underneath the outer part of my lower eye. Okay, what to do next? What have I used? I've used 3 colours. I've got 3 more to go. Alright, I'm going to go in now and I'm going to use a bit of glitter glue. And I'm going to put it just in this centre section. I could use concealer, but to be honest, I don't like to. And I kind of want the purple to come through, because I'm going to put Flourish here. And I kind of want the purple to show through a little bit underneath to tie in the colours. Alright, so I'm going to go in with Flourish, which is that silver blue-green. And I'm going to start putting that on the centre of my lid. So I am going for a bit of a spotlight, so I'm trying to keep a bit of an angle there. Okay, so that's 4 colours down. We're left with Posy and Sandra. So Posy is the matte teal blue. I'm going to take that and I'm going to run that across the bottom of my lash line. Meet it up with that Seed that we placed down before. And I'm going to take this into the inner corner as well. Okay, on the same little pencil brush, I'm going to take Sandra, which is that metallic dark teal, and I'm going to run that probably the outer half. So just running Sandra along the outer half, blending it into Posy, and just bringing it up to meet with the shadows on the upper lid. I've got to go to school today to work. I'm like, oh, this is going to be a bit of a fancy look. I've been meaning to film this look all week, but it's just been one of those, I swear, I think life is getting normal and then something happens. I got hit with a migraine yesterday, which just wiped me out for the entire day. So we're kind of just going to go with the flow. And I need to have this up, so the kids at school are going to get me in my full regalia this morning. Alright, I'm going to take a little bit of Flourish, which was that silver blue, and I'm going to use it as a topper shade now, and I'm just going to gently add it into the inner corner. I really still want the blue to show through. And you can kind of see with this shade, depending on what colour you've put it on, it will reflect that undertone, which is really cool. Okay, so I'm going to go finish off this look. I'm going to run some purple liner across the top, which is Rimmel's Wonder Swipe, and it is in Cool AF. And I think I'm going to put some deep purple in the waterline as well. So I've got Rimmel's Scandalise in purple. So I'm going to do that, add some mascara, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I've added purple liner to the top and in the waterline, added some mascara, and this is the final look. What do you think? Be interesting to see what the other girls come up with. I'm looking forward to it. I hope we've all come up with something quite different, and I like these ideas, and I love watching collabs and seeing how different people look at the colours and how they put them together. It certainly shows that versatility. So yeah, I don't know. I think I'll get a few looks at work today. But no, it's all good. Make sure, if you haven't, but of course you have, check out Annette's Makeup Corner and Cher. I'll leave obviously the links to their videos down below. What I've got here is I've got Pollen, which is this soft pink, as my blush, and Jasmine as my highlight. So I'm wearing that today, and I'm wearing MAC Nakia Joy. It's very similar to Velvet Teddy on my lips, just a soft pinky nude. I think that's all I have to tell you. I think that's everything. Sounds good. Alright. Thank you for coming in, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm like looking at this just going, I like this. I think I might do a painting with these colours. I think it'd look pretty wicked. So, yeah, I think that's about it. Leave a comment telling me what you think. And if you're new here, leave me a comment and say hi. Say g'day. That would be awesome. And, yeah, as always, remember, be kind, be strong, and be a warrior. And I'll see you later. Bye.